let's do this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, cool. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you my donating my stash part 2. Today I was gonna make this 3 parts to be honest, but I think I'm just gonna make it 2 parts because I have my makeup, backup makeup here, which has dwindled a lot to be honest. Also, I have skincare stuff that I have in the closet usually behind me that I normally just keep all that extra stuff in there. Anyway, also as like random note, I just want to know, has any of you guys like stored your Fenty Beauty gloss and it like leaks? Because it literally like was leaking out in my, kind of weird. So I think I'm just gonna store it up here now because it's kind of weird and I don't really like that. But anyway, so today we are going inside of more stuff that I can donate to those in need. I have decided that all of my clothes over here, which yes, this is all clothes and bags, and those are going to be going to a special cause called Brothers and Sisters, which I have, they do like pickups of clothes that you don't want, which is something that I've been doing for years and years and years, and so has my family. So that's what I'm going to be doing with all of my clothes. I think they come either November 7th or the 21st or both, so that's what we're going to do there. Wow, it's really fucking bright, holy shit. And also for the rest of this, I'm going to be donating it to my church because again, they do a lot of stuff where they help women in need, especially women that just have children, new moms that just have babies and they don't know, you know, they don't have access to any resources or anything to help take care of their child, that sort of thing too. So I think, you know, there's gonna be a lot of girls and possibly some guys out there that's gonna love this stuff. So I'm feeling really great about doing it. It's been making me very, very happy, and you guys have also been loving my last video too, so thank you so much for that. Again, I really do appreciate it. Let's just jump right in. Oh boy. Okay, so I have recently destashed this, but I can possibly do a little bit more in here. I feel like I'm only looking to donate things that are brand new in the package, like nothing that's been used, obviously, just brand new items I've never used. We're gonna start right here. I have 3 of these e.l.f. oil blotting sheets, which I think I'm just gonna donate these because I don't use them anymore. Like, I just don't use them. I don't know. I used to stock up on these all the time. You guys know these are my thing and I still love them, but I just don't use them. I don't know why, I just don't. So these are all gonna be donated. Next in here we have a Laura Mercier mini translucent setting powder, which I really want to try out again, so I am going to keep this for myself. We have a watermelon lip jelly, which is like my favorite stuff of life, so I'm keeping her. And then I have another Hello Kitty lip balm, which is some of my favorite lip balm ever, so I am keeping it because it's out of the packaging and that's kind of weird. Now as for brow gels, I have a couple of them here. One is in soft brownie brows and the other is in blondie brows. I think I'm going to donate the blondie one because I just feel like it's, I don't know, like blonde. I've been trying to do like lighter brows on myself when I have blonde hair, but I feel like it just doesn't work out and I get frustrated and so on and so forth. So I am going to keep the soft brownie brows one because I really like that one a lot for me. And this one has been opened because my mom used it, so that's obviously not going in the donation. This translucent Jeffree Star powder, which I love. I think I might have used it though. Yeah, I've used it, so I can't donate this. His packaging is a little finicky, just a little bit. We have some liquid lipsticks. These came in my mystery boxes and I've been very stingy about getting rid of them because I love Mannequins, one of my favorite nudes, and Watermelon Soda, obviously. I've had this Watermelon Soda. This is like from his summer collection like 3 years ago. It's kind of starting to turn, so I think I am gonna keep this Watermelon Soda, but I'm thinking about donating the Mannequin because I just recently bought Jeffree's little collab with Morphe lip set, and another Mannequin lipstick came in that one, so there's kind of no point for me to keep this one, so I'm gonna donate. Actually, ding ding ding, this might be part of the giveaway, so I'm gonna think about that because Mannequin's a really awesome color. I love Mannequin, but I am gonna keep Watermelon Soda because I want to replace it with the one that I have now because it's really old and I love wearing watermelon soda. Okay, to go on to some setting sprays here, I have the Kula one that, shout out to FabFitFun, they did replace for me, so thank you guys so much for that. I do like it and I have used it though, so I can't donate it, but it's a really nice setting spray. And then we have the Maybelline Long Lasting Fix. I have yet to try this. I heard it's a good spray, hence why I have it, so I am going to keep it for myself. Same with the watermelon one from MAC because I love watermelon and that's fine. Sorry. Next we have, a couple more soft lips lip balms. I'm going to give away the vanilla one because I already have a vanilla one with the Hello Kitty, and then I have the Marshmallow Ghost one, which obviously Halloweeny, and I'm going to keep that one. Then in here we have a neutral brown brow pencil from e.l.f. You guys know this is my favorite of all time. I think I actually just threw one in there. There's some extra stuff I did throw in there, so I'm going to show you guys that afterwards. After I made that last video, I ended up just going through some stuff and just being like, oh, I don't want this, so I'm just throw it in there. A few concealers, which is really good. I love this concealer a lot, but I do happen to have like 4 or 5 freaking concealers in here, so I am gonna give this one away. I am gonna donate that one. And then I also, this is random, I have one of these, they don't make these anymore, the lip plumping glosses that my mom actually got me a replacement of. I haven't touched it. I haven't been using lip plumping products for a very long time now, and I do have my Buxom glosses and my Soap and Glory glosses, so I am gonna donate this as well because it's a really good gloss and I love it so much. Like, I literally, you guys, still have my Sephora gloss that David accidentally ran over. Like, that old, I still have that one, haven't finished it yet, so I am going to donate this one. And then for concealers in here, I have the one that I just purchased, which is the Benefit one. I have the Fenty one, which I have used. I have the e.l.f. Light Peach one, e.l.f. Camo, that I want to try, so I'm keeping these. Then there is this Superstay one that I've been meaning to try, but I feel like I'm just not gonna, I don't know. I don't really like that one. I don't know. Actually, I really don't understand why I bought this because I didn't like the foundation. So maybe I was like, oh, well, I'll love the concealer. I don't know, but I am going to donate the concealer, who am I? The concealer as well. And then of course I have the Jeffree Star setting spray, which I'm keeping. I'm sorry, like, I have another concealer, the Makeup Revolution one, which also is another one I really love a lot. So I am gonna be, Sam, you already have, like, this is what I have to do. This is kind of sad. Like, I have to just sit there and be like, okay, you have a lot of high-end concealers that all work amazing. You can give away the Makeup Revolution, which is really awesome. So I am gonna give this one away. It's in C4. I love this concealer a lot. Really awesome stuff. This liquid liner, which I've never used, it's called Sex Kitten. It's just very tiny. I don't know. I feel like since it's out of packaging, I shouldn't be donating this, but I did get it in like a little Tarte kit thing, so I am going to keep it because it's not in packaging and I feel weird about that. Obsession All in a Blur Blurring Primer, which I have used before, so I have to keep this one. e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer, which I bought repurchased because I was like, you know what, maybe they changed the formula since years ago when I did my really awful review and everyone was like coming for me like, yeah, hi, because I didn't like it. I don't know. I feel like it's kind of dumb for me to buy this. So I think I am going to donate it because I know that I don't like it, and just because I saw new packaging, I was like, yes, queen, we're going to get this. Yes. No, we're gonna give it to someone that needs it more than I do. Of course, I still have my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I still haven't fucking used yet. I know you guys are probably gonna be like, are you fucking kidding me, Sam? What the hell's the matter with you? To be honest, I forgot about it, but I do still want to try it, so I am gonna keep this one. Which is also something really random I want to like throw out there. I feel like, and since today I do have off of work, I went shopping with my mom this morning and I went to Walmart, and I just remember when I used to go to Walmart and years ago, you guys would see me like doing all my little hauls. I buy all makeup products and like I would buy something every single time I went, like makeup wise, and now I just don't do that anymore because I don't really have an answer why, but mostly because I now feel like I'm getting to the age where it's like I know what I like. I like my Jeffree stuff, I like my Kylie stuff. I have certain foundations I know that work for me and I love. Like there's like certain foundations I know that I really love that work for me. Like same with eyeshadows. Like as much as I want to try some eyeshadow palettes out there, I don't want to buy them and then have them be shit and then have to go through the whole process of returning, because 9 times out of 10 I either forget to return them or I lose the receipt. There's also that, but I feel like now makeup in the beauty community, I feel like it's more about like just loving what you have and being grateful for what you have, and I really am grateful that I have this makeup collection I have right now, because I know there's a lot of people out there that wish that they could afford like the more expensive stuff, or they could go to Walmart and buy new makeup all the time, and I just don't want to be like that anymore, even though I did years ago, and that's how I was doing a lot of first impression videos and stuff, and I still love doing those, and I was attempting to do them with the little Wet n Wild baby right here. I don't know, like I just don't want to hoard on to things that I don't like or that I know I'm not going to use. That's why I wanted to start doing this series on my channel. Hopefully it can evolve more as time goes on. Like I could do one of these maybe like twice a year, that sort of thing, because I just don't want to have excess anymore. Like it is too much for me, and it really like clouds my mind, makes me feel foggy, makes me feel anxious. Like it's just like, oh my god, there's just like so much in my house. Like I've also been like looking into like law of attraction and being grateful and all that kind of stuff. Like I feel like I'm a grateful person, but then when I really think about like sitting down and actually really thinking about it, it's like I really am truly grateful for stuff, and sometimes I do tend to take advantage of things. So I didn't mean for this to become like a sappy like video, but like I just kind of had to throw that out there, because now that that's kind of the mindset that I'm in, that like I don't want to like have excess so much anymore. Hence why I want to donate all these clothes. I want to donate products. Like I just want things that I love that work for me that I can talk to you guys about. And of course, obviously part of having a beauty channel and a makeup channel is that you have to get new products all the time and test them out and, you know, X, Y, and Z. But I feel like I'm more about like, unless there's a product at Sephora, Ulta I really want, then I'm all about it. But if it's just like, oh, I like this palette because it looks like a watermelon, your girl's done it. I'm just kind of like, but am I gonna use the colors? Am I really gonna use this? Like, you know what I mean? Like that's kind of the mindset I have now when I go shopping, gonna buy some makeup, or if I have like a cart saved in Ulta or Sephora or something like that, like I really kind of have that mindset of like, okay, what do I really want? What do I really like? What is gonna work for me the best? Because I don't like buying things and then, oh my god, like I'm just kind of over that. I'm like overwhelmed and stuff. So I don't know. Okay, I'm sorry for that little random, but I feel like I have to throw that out there because now, since again, I'm gonna be 27 in a few weeks, I feel like, and since I'm like I feel like I'm slowly coming out of that kind of phase in my life, and now I'm going towards like, okay, I wanna love and appreciate what I have and my makeup and all that kind of stuff, because I do wanna become a mom and I don't wanna have so much, because when you have a baby, you have so much. And not only just that, but I also just want more like in the moment, and I feel like I have been a lot more in the moment lately, the last few years or so. I'm not so like attached to my phone, which is great, and all that kind of stuff. So this kind of all ties into why I'm doing these videos, because I feel like I just don't want to have abundance anymore. Like it's just like there's no point, because especially like, you know, spending time with people you love and like me making videos, like that matters to me. Like, and vlogging, like I love vlogging and I want to do more of it here on my channel, but just like, and I will always do hauls. Like I'm always gonna shop. That's still always gonna, like, don't get me wrong, but it, like my mindset now has changed in the sense that, you guys know I used to be obsessed with pink, and now I'm more obsessed with Target. Like I used to love pink and like all the higher, like, and I still love Sephora and Ulta, don't get me wrong, but like I just don't shop there as much because expensive. So it's more of like pink to Target to Walmart to TJ Maxx. Like that's just where my head is at, and especially since I make my own money. And I've been really irresponsible the last few years, so there's that. Okay, my thing's gonna overheat, so let me get back into this. I'm sorry. All right, so on to mascaras. I have a few here that I'm obsessed with and that I love, which is the Lash Paradise. So I am definitely keeping this because it's one of my favorite, mascaras. And then I also have here the Volume Express Rocket, which I used to love this. Can we just not throw things around, Sam, please? Thank you. The Rocket mascara, which I do still really like a lot, but I haven't used it in a long time, so hence why I decided to purchase it. We also have the Volume Stylist, which is amazing, from Essence. So good and so cheap, like holy moly. Then I also have the Extreme Volume mascara from Essence and the Lots of Lashes Great Lash Mascara from Maybelline. So I think out of all of these, I'm actually going to donate the Rocket because I do like this one, but I've had that mascara for almost a year and I haven't used it yet. Same with the Lots of Lashes, because I do like it, but it's just been sitting here for like for a year, so we're gonna donate that. But I am gonna keep these three mascaras because I do love these two a lot, and then this one I want to try out. So I have this little Marc Jacobs one I just got, so I'm gonna keep that one. Luminous Lash Paradise eyeliner, which I have not used again, so I am going to donate it because I already have a liner that I'm keeping. And then we have the Maybelline Baby Skin, which I used to love all the time and use all the time, and I repurchased it because I want to retry it again. So I am going to keep her. I have two because I was like, this shit sells out all the time. The Poreless Putty Primer, I have not used this yet, but I think I am going to donate one of them because I don't need both, and if I want more, I could just go buy more. See, that's kind of the mindset I'm trying to get myself in. It's like, you don't need to keep this big pile of stuff. Like, if you run out, you could just go out and get another one or order another one. It's not that big of a deal. Like, somehow in my head, it was like, I need more. I need to stock up. Oh my God, on like everything I own, and I don't want to do that anymore because it's just, oh, it's so stressful. And the last thing in here is just a backup of my Jeffree Star. What number brush is this? This is the Spoolie eyebrow brush, and it's a Double Trouble brush, whatever, from his new collab with Morphe, but I really like this brush, so I got a repurchase of it. It's basically the same thing as his round one version. It's just not this like geometric pattern on there. There is that, and I'm keeping that because I like that brush, I'm sorry. So out of everything, so far that wow, this is actually a good amount. I have a little pile right here of stuff that I am donating. So we have a couple primers, a couple mascaras, an eyeliner, some concealer, chapstick, some lip gloss, the oil blotting sheets. This isn't all of it, but this is a good amount. And then I also have stuff in there. Too Faced mascara I just bought from TJ Maxx. There's another concealer in there. There's some brand new like compact face powders that I used to collect all the time. Now I really like loose powder, so I don't use them anymore. So all those are in there, just all that kind of stuff. So that's it for the makeup part. And I guess this is gonna be a part 3. I was gonna try and do 2 parts, but whatever. So I'm gonna film that part right after this, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video and inspired you to donate or to get out there and help those in need, because I really, you know, I don't know, maybe just my life is just like I don't know. Like I've said, you guys heard what I said already. Like I just feel like there's more to life than like keeping things. And I feel like since I'm a shopping addict, sometimes like it's really hard to like not buy things. I don't know why. And then sometimes I don't buy things at all. It's weird. I don't know. I feel like this is just making me feel like more clear, like clear-headed and clear-minded. So I'm very happy to do it. But I love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you want to see more of me. Like this video if you enjoyed. Turn on bell post notifications so you know when I post a new video. And everything just fell over. And if there is any other kind of videos you guys want me to do, again, I guess I am doing a part 3 because I was going to try and do 2 parts, but I ended up talking because that's what I do. So I'm sorry. I'll see you guys in my next one.